Getting your new HVAC employee to actually learn from those training videos and manuals is way harder than just handing them the stuff and hoping for the best. So, first off, don't just assume they're soaking it all in. Next day, hit them up with some quick review questions. Nothing too crazy, but stuff that shows they were paying attention. Tell them to take notes while watching or reading, like jot down the main points or anything that sticks out. Ask them to summarize what they learned in their own words, maybe in a quick chat or even a message. Pair up those readings and videos with hands-on tasks that connect directly to what they just studied. That way they can see how it actually works on the job. Encourage them to ask questions anytime something's fuzzy, because learning is two-way, you know? Set up a little routine where you check in regularly about what they're learning so it doesn't fall off the radar. Also, using simple quizzes or flashcards can make remembering those technical details way less painful and more effective. One of the biggest hiccups when training HVAC newbies is thinking just giving them materials means they'll absorb everything. Nope, active engagement is key. Another mistake is skipping follow-up. If you don't circle back with review questions or practical checks, you won't really know if they get it. Last but not least, forgetting to link theory to real work makes all that info feel useless and boring. Always connect lessons to actual tasks so it clicks. To fix these, start by making learning interactive with questions and discussions. Follow up with small tests or summaries, and always assign practical jobs that relate directly to their training. This keeps new techs accountable and helps info stick better. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. For contractors, it's a solid way to get noticed and find steady work without all the hassle of hunting down clients themselves.